In a shocking move that could have a huge impact on the value of Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kazama, CEO of the Shiba ecosystem, shared something very important. Don't miss this movie if you're interested in Shiba Inu or have Shib Coin. What's the latest news about Shiba Inu coins? How will this affect their value? In today's movie, I'll answer these questions and tell you about all the new information about Shiba Inu that will greatly increase their value. This video is the result of a lot of study, so make sure you watch it all the way through. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Let's look at the map and see what the price of Shiba is doing on June 16th before we get to topic, shall we? Today's price for Shiba Inu is about 2081 units. The price of Shib has gone up 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and $176 million worth of trades have happened in that time. In addition, the token is the 12th most expensive coin with a market cap of over $12.2 billion. Don't forget that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. It's not financial advice. Let's watch today's movie. Despite positive measures, Shiba Inu has trouble around key opening channels. Shiba has had a rough patch lately, but experts are still optimistic about the future of the meme coins because of basic changes. There is downward pressure on Bitcoin's price around $66,000, and Shib is having trouble breaking out above a triangle pattern, even though on-chain measures are positive. An increase in whale interest is a problem for Shiba Inu. The number of long liquidations has gone up significantly in Shiba Inu over the last 24 hours due to increased bearish pressure. According to CoinLast data, Shib had to deal with liquidations totaling almost $258,000. Of this amount, buyers provided about $217,000. Shib open interest has also gone up by 1.4%, reaching $77.25 million. The number of big deals for Shib has grown significantly over the last 5 days, according to data from the blockchain. A low of 14 deals was followed by 378 transactions, which is a huge increase. A big increase in trade volume has been caused by this sudden rise in whale activity. Additionally, Into the Block data shows that in the past 24 hours, the amount of money going into addresses owned by whales, or big users, has increased by 1,600%. These incoming funds increased from $728.17 billion Shib on June 14 to $3.9 trillion Shib on June 15. A big increase in large holders can mean two things. Firstly, it could mean that a lot of people are buying, since whales often buy on centralized platforms and then store their purchases in cold storage. Secondly, whales buying in large numbers after big drops can mean that prices have reached their lowest point. As Shiba Inu's price approaches key support levels, both outcomes seem likely. Recently, the share of NVT network value to transactions dropped from 706 to 58.8. Despite the rise in the network's value, a lower NVT ratio means that more transactions have been made. It means that more people are actively buying and selling Shiba Inu, which is usually a good sign. High trade rates mean that more people are interested in and using the meme coin, which could lead to higher demand and, as a result, a rise in the selling price of SHI. What is SHI price going to do next? The recovery attempt failed to go through the channel's resistance line, though, and is now staying put. You would be greatly welcomed if you could click the like button if you are still watching. Pressing the button. The service really appreciates the support, and it doesn't cost anything. Please keep watching to learn about the newest Shiba Inu news and what the coin's future might hold. Senior analysts say the Shiba Inu is a gold mine that is easy to miss. In a recent post on X, Davey expressed this opinion, thinking about how he used to be hesitant to look at prediction signs in Shiba Inu's price charts. He often forgot about Shib, according to the admission. That changed on Wednesday, though, when he chose to look into Shiba Inu's chart pattern and found a bullish setup that looked good. Having a Shiba Inu is like finding gold. Davey pointed out that he saw a bullish pennant on Shiba Inu's chart in particular. He suddenly realized that Shiba Inus were a gold mine of opportunities that he had been missing the whole time. Specifically, a positive pennant shape suggests that the price of an object may continue to rise. When there is a strong rise, this pattern looks like a small symmetrical triangle, with the price settling for a short time before breaking out and continuing its upward journey. Since it peaked at 4,500 units in March, the picture that goes with the research clearly shows Shiba Inu's severe downward pattern. As expected, the pattern shows exactly how the candlesticks came together after the big price increase for Shiba Inu. The current situation says that Shiba Inu is ready to restart its previous upward trend. Shiba was planning to sell 5,000 units. The short-term gain from the observation looks good, according to Davey, who also said that he feels underexposed with his present SHIB holding. In his opinion, Shiba Inu would go above the 5,000 unit level when the bulls came back. There is a 102% chance of a short-term rise happening, and bigger goals are visible. As an alternative, former user Bunny Boy said Shiba Inu could see an even bigger 600% increase in this expected second phase rise. Additionally, this user suggested that the prediction might come true in the next 3 weeks. The bold prediction in this paper is based on the path that Shiba Inu followed in the first chapter. In particular, between late February and early March, SHIB went up by 373% in less than 10 days. Additionally, Davey is not the only expert who has noticed the strong pennant shape on the Shiba Inu chart. Recently, market watcher Eunice1 made similar comments, but this time he suggested a 409% increase. Here's the main story of today's movie. Shiba Inu led DevThrill's SHIB troops with this positive message. The Shibarium, a scale method. Thanking the development team, especially Daria, a top developer, the person going by the codename Shiba Inu Development Team Head hinted that more innovations might be coming to the Shiba Inu environment, which got SHIB fans excited. This year, SHIBASWAP will focus on finding new meme coins. I responded to Kusama's tweet by quoting the lead developer's post to give the Shiba Inu group more information about what to expect in the coming weeks. SHIBASWAP's current version, according to the SHIB top creator, will focus more on finding new meme coins. Furthermore, Daria said that project fans can look forward to regular updates and improvements since the work is gathering speedily. In a tweet, the top Shiba engineer said, "This version is focused on discovery, so all you creative geniuses go away. Remember that this is a run, not a race, and we will keep sending out regular updates and changes." Shibarium now has SHIBASWAP live, making it the first DEX to work on the Layer 2 scaling solution network. Additionally, we mentioned that the combination of SHIBASWAP and the Shibarium came with extra features that would improve trade and users' experiences overall. Moreover, the merger is thought to have the potential to push SHIB's price upwards because it has features that could enhance SHIB's burn rate through higher on-chain activities and usage rate. 3 trillion SHIB are moving. Here is the final location. Recent days have seen a big rise in the price of the Shiba Inu token, which has happened at the same time as a number of large trades involving billions of SHIB tokens. The unidentified wallet sent 3 trillion SHIB tokens, worth about $75 million, to the famous trading site Robinhood on May 16, according to blockchain tracker Whale Alert. There are shimmy whales moving around. Today's big move fits a trend of more action this week among SHIB whales or large buyers. OKX, a global coin platform, received 50.36 billion SHIB in another trade earlier that week. Over 1.5 trillion SHIB tokens were moved in just 24 hours before the 3 trillion SHIB that was stated above was sent. These trades, which involved SHIB tokens worth $42.6 billion to $397 billion, happened between big platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Gates. In addition, another unknown bank sent 200 billion Doge tokens to Robinhood. Doge is a famous meme coin. A lot of our users tell us they won't sell SHIB for 5 years and plans to hold on to millions of them because they trust the Shiba Inu creators and think SHIB has value in the real world. How many are you guys holding? Please share your SHIB purchases in the comments part below. Thank the person who holds the SHIB for accepting and believing in the process. Give the movie a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell us what you think about the Shiba Inu ticket in the comments. You can be informed every time we post a new movie by turning on the post alerts.